It's not just the government agencies like the CDC highlighting the critical nature of cleaning. ECRI, a well-respected research group, published a report titled, "If it's not clean, it's not sterile." And further reviews within the industry have linked improper cleaning to the potential for cross-contamination. So, what can you do about it? Knowing that cleaning is critical, how do we ensure better cleaning outcomes and therefore improve disinfection or sterilization? The answer is by using the right enzymes at the right dose in an optimized detergent. We partnered with a company who is critical of enzyme performance in medical device reprocessing, and rightly so based on some of their previous findings. As our partner, they were able to provide orthopedic blades soiled with real human blood and other bodily fluids. The blades were cleaned with the same detergent with and without enzymes for 10 minutes in a sonicator at 50 degrees C. Here on the left you can see how dirty and soiled the blades are before being cleaned. And after, well, the results are clear and speak for themselves. The blades cleaned with the non-enzymatic detergent are still dirty, while the blades cleaned with the enzymatic detergent are clean and ready for further reprocessing. The only difference between the two cleaning procedures is the addition of the right enzyme at the right dose.